This is total ambush, Your Excellency, my colleague, and our partners from the NSC and the private sector players. Your Excellency, mine is just to really thank the Mulwa and his team, and for really taking us through some really innovative financing ideas and models. We have sat through, we have learned a lot, and is also to thank my colleague, CS Mbadi, for the continuous support. Your Excellency, through these innovations, we are able to undertake projects of very serious national importance, like the housing program for our KDF officers. We are able to bridge the gap in real time without burdening the exchequer. And this partnership, Your Excellency, we commit to continue to support and to invite the private sector to work with us, because this Kenya belongs to all of us. When we find ourselves in a tough fiscal environment, I think this is where great ideas are born on how to push our country forward. I want to assure you, Your Excellency, with the partnership we have with Mulwa and his team, and the CS Alice Wahome and the PS Hinga, we are just about to finalize some housing units through the PPP model, again developed by Mulwa and his team. You will be handing over the first complete units at Roysambu. In fact, it's ready. We have a few, maybe 1 week or two to go, so that you know, these turnkey projects that are becoming a reality because of the innovations that we are able to sit together and work with the private sector. Asante sana, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Waziri.